Hey pool friends, I'm back. So my name is Danny. This is our pool. I'm about to tear this pool down. So if you haven't watched my other videos, I'm gonna link them right here. If you're getting a pool and you need help putting it together, I have like a full setup video, a couple of those, and I'll link those for you, and I'll also link them in the description if you need help setting up your pool. So I thought I'd show you a little bit of footage of me tearing this. Literally, I'm just gonna tear it down because it's so rusted, and it did rust out after 3 years of salt water. So when we get our new pool, we're gonna get hopefully the same kind of pool, and yeah, we're gonna try to treat it, extra treat it with some anti-rust, but I do love salt water, so we're gonna go with the salt water. I can't believe it's hailing. So I've already started just like literally just ripping at it. So let me make sure you can see what I'm doing. I can't get it to disconnect because it's rusted shut, so I'm just gonna tear it down. It breaks my heart a little, but it's broken. I guess we're gonna have to cut it up to get it to the dump, which is kind of a bummer as well. Kind of wasteful, but it's also kind of fun. Wow, that's a mess, but that was easier than I thought. I need help, and I'm trying to let the water drain out. It'll be easier to move. Anyways, I have been looking for a new pool, and if you have any tips or leads, Amazon seems to only be selling them with the pump, and I don't need a pump, but if I have to, I'll just buy it with the pump. But they're only selling it as a whole set, and yeah, all the other stores like Academy seem to be like sold out, so any tips are appreciated, and soon we will be happy swimming. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.